And I think a question I would have for the group is just how do you maintain as much consistency as possible when the work you're doing may not be quite as consistent, if that makes sense. So, some weeks you may have lots and lots of deals coming in, and some weeks you may not have as many. How have you guys found to set up your schedule so that you're still staying in a good flow and a good headspace and not kind of dropping in and out based on what's happening around you?
Outlook saved my life. I have the rest of this year's mailers scheduled out, and I get up in the morning without any emotion or any feelings at all. I can't say this for Jill. And I do what my schedule tells me to do, and then that's it. And then when I'm done, I crack a beer, and I generally just don't care about stuff.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That's beautiful.
I like that, Jill. I like that, Jack. That's good.
I went to the bar about 15 years ago, and I was sitting there with my lawyer, who's still my buddy and still our lawyer. I don't know what I was upset about, something. And he just looked at me and said, "You need to care a lot less. Why do you care about this at all?" And that just always stuck with me, obviously. And here we are. I just do exactly what's in my Outlook calendar, which we can all see. I can see Jill's calendar. She can see mine. We have a social calendar. So all the stuff that we do, the time that we're taking off, or when we take the RV out, or if there's a wedding or anything, it's all in there. So I don't have to think. We just don't have to think. I think Jill's responsibilities in this are a little bit more difficult because there's phone calls and stuff, but she's got Jan now. So if it's in, she's got blocked out time for Airtable, and then that's it. When the timer goes off, I also have a lot of timers on my phone, as weird as that sounds.
Yeah.
Where it'll go off and I'll stop. And then it goes into the next day.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think that if I have a 2-hour event that's scheduled, like let's say pricing a mailer, and I stop it at 2 hours, and if it's not done, then I'll pick it up the next day. I won't continue to do it.